So let's just begin to settle the body in here so we can wind down from the day. So just finding as comfortable a posture as possible, getting cozy and comfortable in the bed. And if it feels okay to do so, if you haven't already, just closing the eyes now. And we're going to start by taking some deep breaths together. So breathing in deeply and fully. Exhale long and slow. And as you exhale, can you get a sense of allowing the body to relax and soften into the bed? Again, deep, slow breath in. Long, steady breath out. Relaxing the body into the bed. One more time. Breathing in. And a relaxing, slow breath out. That's it. And just allowing a sense of softening and settling to roll down the body from the head down to the toes. So relaxing the scalp and the jaw. Letting the shoulders be at ease. Belly and hands relaxed. All the muscles of the legs can soften. And as your body starts to really settle into the bed now, just ensuring that the breath is back in its own natural rhythm, so no need to control the breath in any way now. The body can breathe at its own pace. Well, I'm sure that there was plenty going on today, plenty of doing. But right now, there's really nothing you need to do at all. Not even on a mental level. There's nothing you need to fix, no problems you need to solve, no plans you need to make. You've allocated this time for yourself. So see if you can now give yourself permission to really just let everything else go and just be here. And letting the breath now be an anchor for your awareness of focusing on the feeling and the flow of the breath in your body. And just letting everything else be. And if the mind wanders off and gets caught up in thinking about the day or anticipating what might happen tomorrow, just simply invite it back to the breath. Just doing this very simple practice of noticing the mind wandering, noticing what it's doing, inviting it back to rest in the present moment, just resting on the sensations of breathing. And as you feel the breath, you may notice that you still feel some lingering momentum or mental tension or physical tension from the day. We're usually doing a lot during the day, a lot of things we need to think about, different emotions we're experiencing, different things we need to do and complete, and that can stir up a lot of energy in the body that continues to linger with us sometimes, even when we're not doing those things anymore. So if you're feeling quite a bit of agitation or tension or just a momentum from the day, and it's feeling a little hard to let go of, you can continue to do some deep, slow breathing that can really help to let go and unwind any extra tension. So go ahead and do that if you care to right now. Some deeper, slower, and fuller breaths, maybe inhaling through the nose and exhaling, making an audible sigh on the out breath, and just aiming to let go of any tension in the body on the out breath. That can be really helpful. So if you're taking those big inhales with each exhale, can you get a sense of a big release, an audible sigh, a sense of letting go of the day? Good. And if you've been taking those deep breaths, just making this your last one, last big exhale now. And just feeling the body relaxing, letting go of that energy and momentum of the day and giving yourself permission to just drop in and be here, to release today so you can start fresh tomorrow. Giving yourself permission to let go and just be here now. And breath is natural, body relaxing, and the mind is resting on the feeling of the breath in the body. There's nowhere you need to be right now. There's nothing else you need to do. Just noticing your body breathing, knowing that it's safe to let go and drift off into sleep.